Hello friends, in this video I will be talking about meningioma. So let's start the session. Meningiomas are most common primary CNS tumor arising from arachnoid cap cells associated with dura mater or choroid plexus. It grows along the external surface of brain, spinal cord, or rarely within the ventricular system. It mainly affects adults, mean age is 65. Females are affected more than males. The risk factors are radiation, hormone replacement therapy or oral contraceptives, and germline mutations in NF2, SMARCB1, and SMARCE1, which predisposes to familial and multiple meningiomas. The clinical features are headache, seizure, and focal neurological deficits due to tumor compression effects. The MRI findings show extraaxial mass with dural tail, uniformly contrast enhancing, and extensive peritumoral edema is usually associated with brain invasion. Grossly, the tumor is rounded and well circumscribed and attached to the dura. Microscopically, three grades exist based on WHO criteria: grade 1, grade 2, and grade 3. The grade 1s are the benign ones, which are slow growing. Grade 2 have increased likelihood of recurrence, and grade 3 are malignant with metastatic potential. The WHO grade 1 meningiomas have low mitotic index, less than 4 per 10 higher power field, no brain invasion, and less than 3 atypical features of necrosis, small cell chain, sheeted architecture, nuclei, and hypercellularity. WHO grade 2 meningiomas have increased mitotic root, unequivocal brain invasion, and atypical features. And WHO grade 3 are rare, highly aggressive tumors which resemble high grade sarcomas, carcinomas histologically with high mitotic rates. Here I have enumerated some of the common variants of grade 1, grade 2, and grade 3. For example, in grade 1, the common variants are meningothelial, fibroblastic, transitional, angiomatous, psammomatous, secretory, metaplastic, macrocystic, lymphoplasmacyte rich. Grade 2 variants, which are common, are atypical, chordoid, clear cell, and grade 3 variants, which are very rare, are anaplastic, papillary, and rhabdoid. Here you can appreciate in the micrograph meningothelial variant of meningioma in which there is whorls of tumor cells. Here you can appreciate the fibrous nature of the fibroblastic meningioma. Transitional meningioma have both a combination of the whorls and the fibrous pattern. In secretory meningioma, you can see lot of secretions as depicted by the arrows. Psammomatous meningioma shows numerous psammoma bodies and are generally located in the spinal region. In angiomatous meningioma, you can notice numerous blood vessels. And macrocystic meningioma, you can see a lot of microcysts in this micrograph. The lymphoplasmacyte rich meningioma shows a dense infiltrate of lymphocytes and plasma cells. Generally, for treatment purposes, if it is asymptomatic, observation is done. Otherwise, gross total resection is usually curative. Post operative radiation is given if incompletely excised or grade 2 or grade 3.